Lustre! Hi, Miss Nadine. Eto, minsan mo lang, or actually first time mo lang marinig siguro yung title na yun, The Collector.
First time. Kaya nga natawa.
Okay, before we discuss that, you wanna say hi to everyone watching us?
Yes, good evening po sa inyong lahat. I'm so happy to see everyone and maraming salamat. Alam po namin, Pasko na bukas, Christmas Eve na bukas, but thank you so much for spending your time with us. Sobrang excited kami na makita ninyo ang pelikula.
At sobrang excited na ako may mamanood ito. Diba? Going back to that title that I've given you right now, The Collector. Siyempre, every single year, nangongolekta siya ng awards eh. Left and right. Ganun
I'll
kalite.
remember that. I'll remember.
Ganun kagaling ang isang Nadine Lustre. In this film, ano bang mga pwede naming expect, especially coming from Nicole?
I guess Nicole is her character is very different from the ones that I've done before. So, baguhin, inatakan ko sa mga characters ko. But this time around, sobrang iba talaga siya. Kasi, like ko sinasabi before, my characters were always very simple. Parang mabait na anak. Kanya, this time, medyo suplado naman.
Or Lady in
Yeah,
Red right now?
very different naman. So, I'm very excited for everyone to see that. Kasi this is the first time I'm gonna be doing that on screen.
Oh, well, we're so happy and excited na panood ang character mo, and please enjoy the night. Lady in Red, you're gonna be painting the town red, alright? Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Nadine Lustre! Everyone
Thank
is
you.
here. Everyone loves you. Everyone is here to support you. Before anything else, baka gusto mo nang batiin lahat.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Lahat po ng kasama namin itong gabi nito sa premiere night ng Uninvited. And nagagalak po ang buong family ng Uninvited na ito na yung aming premiere night. And we all invite you. We will thrill your hearts this coming December 25 para po sa pelikula po namin Uninvited. Please do watch. We are inviting you to watch Uninvited, and this is part of the golden anniversary of Metro Manila Film Festival. To all of you, we love you! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! This is one gift na hindi na dapat palampasin. Ito na yun, all the biggest stars in one film just for you guys. Okay, we have our Star for All Seasons right here on the stage. May we call in Direk Dan to please join us? Right here together with the President.
Guys, they're waiting for us and we're excited to see the film.
I remember vividly, Raga, a couple of months ago, nasabi mo kasi na hindi na ako makatulog sana December 23 or 25 na, and now here we are. Ano bang nangingibabaw sa puso mo? Ano bang tumatakbo sa isipan niyo?
But at this nervous ako sir. But more than that, I'm proud of the work we've done. Proud of our movie. Again, I'm excited because we haven't seen it yet. The first time namin mapapanood kasama ng puli yung lahat ang pelikula natin on Uninvited. So I'm excited and super. Watch it.
Pero
Salamat.
hindi na talaga kami makapaghintay sa pagsisimula ng pelikula na palabangan po natin Mr. Agamula. We're gonna be seeing more of him in just a bit, but now we are looking at the golden carpet.
Salamat po, Uninvited, December 25. Merry Christmas everyone, we love you.
Christmas, thank you. And before we let I was told that we're gonna be having our last photo right here sa ating golden carpet para sa ating stellar cast. So once again, we're inviting the cast to pose for a photo. To all the people who are here, ready your cameras, all of your phones as well. And when you post online, don't you forget to use our official hashtag, which is trending already, by the way. Uninvited World Premiere. all the photos, all the snaps right there. Maraming salamat. Before we let our cast visit some of our friends and fans sa Cinema 4, let me just give you some big news na ngayon lang binigay po sa akin. Even before the premiere ng Uninvited, meron na po tayong international screenings. Agad-agad. January 2, Middle East, January 10, US and Canada, and coming soon, screenings in Singapore, Japan, and Italy. Kaya ngayon pa lang, sabihan nyo na lahat ng mga kamag-anak nyo, lahat ng mga Pilipino na manood po ng Uninvited because this is gonna be on a global scale. Congratulations in advance to the cast. Everyone is so excited to meet you inside Cinema 4. So right now, I think the cast is gonna be gracing us with their presence. Okay? Ang daming nangyari dito sa golden carpet. The biggest stars and creatives are here sa labas ng Cinema 4 and they're making their way inside. Just to say hi, just to thank everyone. Dito na. Even, maraming salamat, Gabby. Okay? And of course, Elijah Canlas. Elijah, thank you. Okay, on the screen right now, we got the very beautiful Miss Lotlo De Leon. Well, we'll be having our world premiere right here in Cinema 3, pero we are just so excited para sa matinding pelikula ito. I can see your smiles. Grabe yung effort, yung bago na ibinigay dito, and we have to say this is a masterpiece which everyone is part of, no? Maraming salamat and premiere night. Well, JM, I just have to tell you this is your first time, pero napakaswerte mo because this is the biggest premiere night ever in the history of Philippine cinema. Alright, how about you, brother?
I'm just taking it all in. Sobrang napakasarap ng experience and ayoko may makalimutan. So lahat ay naalala ko.
Naalala natin lang. Okay, get all the moments right here. Ang sarap ng sigawan lalo na on the stage. We got Elijah and Gabby, whom we will be talking right here on this in just a bit. Grabe talaga ang lakad nila. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
Yes, and bro, of course we have to ask this, no? Ano ba? These fine gentlemen enjoying our show for the evening. Maraming
Thank you
salamat.
very much.
Brother, please enjoy the whole thing. We got lots of food, lots of drinks right here. This is a party. And I know your favorite Ursula is there. Yes. I'm sure you guys are excited. Gano'ng ka-excited ngayon?
Sobra yung excitement ko na kinakabahan ako to the point na kasi hindi pa namin nakikita yung film. So, kumbaga para sa amin, uhusgahan namin yung sarili namin dito.
Wow!
Wow! Character, lahat. Kumbaga, pero for sure, para sa inyo to. Yun ba?
Saktong-sakto. Yes. Painted the town red with that color. Maraming salamat po. And we'll be seeing in just a bit.
Yes. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
All right.
Thank you.
The very beautiful Miss Lotlo De Leon. Thank you. Okay, talking about stars. Ayan na. You know it's gonna be a great movie, a great series even if that man is in the credits. Mr. Pearso Cruz III. And I kid you not, whenever I see this icon, I can't help but smile.
Merry Christmas, Rob.
Merry Christmas, long time no see.
Good
Merry
evening to
Christmas.
everyone. Merry Christmas po at maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo for braving the holiday traffic. Thank you very much for coming. Sana po magustuhan nyo. Good evening.
Good evening. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Magandang gabi po.
Uninvited po, huwag nakakalimutan. Showing niyo po sa 25. And thank you for everyone for coming.
And thank you so much for being here. Okay, we just can't wait to see the film already. Not just because of the traffic, no, na mention mo. We're gonna be painting the town, the whole world red tonight. Ano bang mga dapat namin na-expect
Maraming dugo. Siyempre, yung characters namin, yung mga characters at saka roles namin ni Gio dito, na napakabait sa pelikulang to. Sana ma-expect at mapanoorin niyo po.
Well, of course, ang makers ko ay mentor and we expect, you know, above standard, the best of the best all time, including the best of the best. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
Gio.
Thank you very much.
And
Thank you,
Gio,
thank you.
we're gonna be seeing you in just a bit. Okay. We got Ron Angeles, RK Bagaching, right there sa ating golden carpet.